to the children, then the children will take it over. Going to the job right now, we don't even understand why. But I'm talking about sickness going on in this world. Sickness right now, diarrhea everywhere. I can't even understand why, but I am protecting my energy. Everywhere is all diarrhea. Toilet papers everywhere. Oh my god, my energy can swear. But I am always protected by a mirror, so I gotta do my way again. Because sickness like always come like a disease. It comes to your face and it comes like a disease, and you feel the diarrhea in your body. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, it's coming. Then we go to shake, 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 shake to the right. When you feel it, it will feel it. Then you go into the hospital. Oh my god, you can blame it on yourself, because you can't deny what I'm saying. Even though it's close down, but you know it's true. The fact that I'm saying, because sickness everywhere. Oh, whoa.
I'm just killing time, waiting for the sickness to cut me away.
The sickness everywhere. They think that it's so good, man, but it is so good, cause it's, you have to wear a face mask to protect your face. That's sickness everywhere, but it's actually healthy, so bye bye. Yeah. It's 6 bits on the track, yo.
Parang neneng B ang kanyang katawan. Ang sarap mong titigan. Roses ka ba? Kasi sa spaceship isasakay kita. Parang neneng B ang kanyang katawan. Ang sarap mong titigan. Roses ka ba? Chick, Nick, cause I got plenty. T-shirt niya at pants ay black, tas pink na panty. Binaba ko sa sahig, tapos siya ay nilamig. Yumakap siya sa akin habang siya'y kinikilig. Di niya rin mapigilan ng init kong dala. Napapakalmot na at napapaungol siya. Sabi niya, NIK, what? Iba-on mo pa, bilisan mo pa. Sige, sige, sige pa. Huling ka ba? Kanina sa'kin nagbabaga ka. Sorbetes ka ba? Kasi gusto mong dinidilaan ka. Palay ka ba? Kasi gusto mong binabayo kita. Chicharong ka ba? Kasi ang ingay mo pag kinakain ka. Ako'y naa-attract, dibdib naglalak, parang merong heart attack. Ayaw mo sa iba, gusto mo kay NIK. NI to the motherfucking K. Kasi lit, medyo pogi, sa mata mo'y malupet. SAMPINTO, sobrang sexy, fit na fit. Yung flat na petit, tapos medyo makulit. Mahaba ang buhok at mga matay singkit. Yun ang aking tipo, minsan pag wala ng thick, tumatagal sa laban parang Jordan Games. ka ba?